Hey, what's up guys? iSaurabh here. This is Samsung M35 5G unboxing. This box has been already opened. I got this phone for 14,000. Let's open the box. This is Samsung M35 in midnight blue color. The phone is boxy and feels heavy in hand. Let's keep the phone aside and check what else we get in the box. There is a SIM ejector tool. Now open this box. We got some documents and a USB Type-C to Type-C cable. There is no charging adapter in the box. The phone has triple camera setup such as Samsung S and A series. This phone is thicker and bigger in size. It has 6000 mAh battery. Let's turn on this phone. That's all. I will make a long-term review video soon. Thanks for watching.